Listen to how I got Rape 2021. I was getting married. 2020, 2021, one of them. I was getting married. And the friend who was supposed to be my best man had to go away to the States. So I had to ask somebody else to be. My pandemic had gone. I had to ask somebody else to be my best man. So I say no, I know somebody where I've been with sexually. And we're good friends socially. We still get intimate on and off. Remember, Corona keep. Miss Beyonce decides that she want to go somewhere to get ready. So we couldn't get no Uber. So me ask the now best man if him can carry her go where she want to go. And I'll pay him. It wasn't free. Him say, yeah man. Now, me the kind of upset with fiance because me have to fiance say, stay your yard. Get ready for your yard. But this is a woman thing. She want to forget have her help and all of that. But it was just the problem of getting from my house to where she want to go. That's always the problem. Now, on the way of coming back, I'm really upset about it because I will a look at things that go on. I don't really want to get it now. But she go, right? Decide and she go. And my way of coming back now, Raper man decides say, so Raper man number one, the best man, decides say, you want to penetrate me. I'm going to say, bro, no. I'm going to tell you something. So when me and Raper man go at it, and me I get penetrated, there's something where we use will help to relax we. No, not cocky or nothing like that. Have to have that. And Mr. Man no normal. So Mr. Man no normal. Mr. Man no normal. So me and Mr. Man think it's not a regular thing. It's most upon my turn, my timing thing. Because that's something we have to prepare for mentally and physically because I pain for days, me bust up. But it's the emotional part of it that get me attached to the best man. When I was back in Jamaica, I know best man from Jamaica, and I had a surgery to do, a hernia surgery. A best man carried me, they dropped me off a National Chest Hospital. Best man give me money to make sure so I could get back home. There was no mother, there was no father, there was no auntie, there was no uncle, there was nobody. It was just best man who me give one fuck. And I valued that best man took his time to take me to the hospital to make sure me get my surgery done. and give me money. Because he never had to. I remember, I know. Just like one time, we do a look a thing. So, I know best man from back home. And when I came home, me and best man live in the same building, in the same apartment, different unit. I live on the 2nd floor. Best man live on the 3rd floor. Because I came to Canada. Best man was living with his boyfriend. And they had some fight and boyfriend showed best man, I have nowhere to live. And I got best man the unit in my apartment. That's another story. Oh Lord. Anyways, stay on track. When I came home, best man said to me, Mr. Best man, I want to talk to you about the wedding. You know, because I remember saying no, best man wasn't a part of the wedding plan from the beginning, right? At circumstances why him become the best man. A man said to me, yo, when you go home, I want F you. I want penetrate you. I said, no, me a wedding tomorrow, brother, and me can't deal with you because you know you're not normal. The man tell me, in a car, whether or not me want it, it's going to happen. I said to best man, best man, and you do it, me I call the police. Best man say, me no care where you want to do, because you have to get penetrate. Have to get fuck. When me come home, I said to best man, when we come home, me need to come up by your apartment to come and talk to you by your unit. Him said to me, if you come up there, Jay, you get fucked. I said, best man, I don't want upon it. Best man tell me, son, what you want? I tell you what gonna happen. I say, if you do it, brother, I'm gonna report you. Him said, then me for report him. I come home, my beard, go up by best man. As I go in a best man apartment, I'm unit best man tell me, say, yo, I go in a unit best man. Because remember I live on the 3rd floor, me live on the 2nd floor, so I just walk upstairs. Best man tell me, say, remember what me tell you or not? I say, what that? Say, if you come up here, I get fucked. I put on back my slippers and I walk back down to my apartment. Remember, me have my wedding the next day. So me not get to talk to man about the wedding. None at all. Me call Miss Fiance and me say, you see you. Me say, you see the position where you put me in. As a matter of fact, I call Miss Fiance before, as I got home, I call Miss Fiance and make sure you know, say, you see, because you insist to go where you want to go your family them place. Man threatening to rape me. I tell you the truth. If you avoid the rape, give the brother a blowjob on the highway. That's how much me I try to avoid the rape. And the night before my wedding, I feel suck a dick because me don't want to get raped. Yep. And the fiancé knew this. Yeah, man. Let me tell you, say that some woman wicked, you know. So me come back. When me come back down from up at the man unit, me call the fiancé again. And me tell her. So you know, say the boy really want to rape me off. So, he never get to rape me them time there. I come home, I stay in my house, I make my fiancé know everything what go on. Because I want it with me. I never hide from her. She know me bisexual. She know me history. Never hide from her. Go no part 2, man. It's a hell of a story, trust me. It's... me get beaten. You grab up on that throat and beaten. RT Boss. Nardo Smith. Pastor Nardo Smith. When I do my video the last time, I'm going to put it out and I talk about you. A lot of people ask me what I know about you. But me have as much can tell them say, because either me look a bottom for dig down in and dig out, and me not give it. You leave all the way from Spanish Town. Come all the way down a Tower Hill. Come what? Come tell people say me a Bvtty man because what? You feel like say me a go talk your secret. Now though, it's when you have been held at gunpoint as much as me. You see, when you have been fucked against your will as much as me, then nada, I could understand to say you're not gay. But you had use your own free will. RT Boss, I walk a look people bottom. Right? Because I can't hear you're a man. I mean, I don't know what kind of man you be. Because you're a big woman. You understand? And all because me not give you my bottom, you leave all the way from Spanish Town, come at Tower Hill. I tell people say me a Bvtty man. When me a struggle, and you see you live a year with your woman, you gotta tell my friends say, it's spirit say me and her if get married, and at the same time, yeah, look me, for fuck me. You see, me tell people, you know, it's like my life is a cycle. The same thing the best man do me. Me I get married. Tell the best man say, no bottom fear what happened to me. Me get raped. See, so when them call your name say you love little boys, you can't tell them say it's true. You remember Omar? The RT Boss? Yeah man. You know you remember Omar man, my neighbor? Yeah man, the same little fat boy there. Yes, RT Boss. The same look one there you like. The same look one they used to look. Where you know say I go to school and you used to look a little boy same way. So when people say a Bvtty man RT Boss, me can tell people say you a faggot. Cause you don't look me. Come out and say a lie me I tell. Cause me hear somebody on your live and say, oh, your sister share your sister and she can swear say her brother a Bvtty man. Mama, start swear for people. RT Boss, Nardo Smith, a Bvtty man. And him love little boys.